Well, after Yogi Adityanath's salvos at Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool terming the Chief Minister as anti-Ram, the Trinamool Congress got its newly inducted and earlier celebrity netas to launch a star-studded counter-offensive on the visiting UP Chief Minister. From the most prominent Trinamool face, Member of Parliament Nusrat Jahan, to the latest entrants, actor Sayoni Ghosh and cricketer Manoj Tiwari, all lined up to lash out at Yogi. In a tweet, Nusrat and Sayoni both reminded Adityanath of the Hathras incident, saying that while there is lawlessness in UP, the Chief Minister is lecturing and trying to divide Bengal. While cricketer turned Neta Manoj Tiwari said that it's absolutely shameful that the Chief Minister of a state with the highest crime record is trying to school Bengal. He also accused Yogi of indulging in hate politics. The temperatures are rising, and this big flashpoint now in Bengal is between Yogi Adityanath, a saffron crusader who's been deployed by the BJP in virtually every election since he became the Chief Minister, and now he finds himself counter-attacked by the big celebrity faces of the Trinamool Congress. Prema Rajaram reporting live from Kolkata on this. Prema, interesting face-off here. Yogi Adityanath, who's, become a staple campaigner for the BJP in all elections, finds himself counter-attacked by Nusrat Jahan, Sayoni Ghosh, Manoj Tiwari, the big celebrity stars of the Trinamool.
Yes, it's now the celebrity stars hitting out at Yogi Adityanath, and that too Manoj Tiwari and Sayoni Ghosh, who have just joined the Trinamool Congress very recently, and Nusrat Jahan also hitting out at Yogi Adityanath and also questioning how come he is here in Bengal on a day when an incident like this has happened in Uttar Pradesh, where a man who had complained about his daughter being sexually assaulted was gunned down. And why did Yogi Adityanath choose to ignore that and instead look at divisive politics here in West Bengal? So the stars over here in West Bengal in the Trinamool Congress hitting out at Yogi Adityanath. We must remember it's not any senior party leader of the Trinamool Congress, but the stars all coming out together just after Yogi Adityanath's speech to slam him for the fact that he's here in West Bengal and ignoring Uttar Pradesh. Yes. And Manoj Tiwari in his tweet has said while he chose to ignore his daughter, ignore the daughter in Uttar Pradesh. So these are the words being used by these celebrities. Back to you, Shiv.
Prema, thanks very much for that. Clearly, this flashpoint's only going to get bigger as the days go by and as temperatures rise in the Bengal campaign. And speaking of stars in the Bengal campaign, the Star Wars are continuing in the state. Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress and the BJP are busy enlisting celebrity after celebrity, film star after film star, TV actor after TV actor to glam up and glitz up this political campaign in Bengal. Take a look.
Lights, camera, elections. From the celluloid to the corridors of power, cine stars are headlining the big Bengal political blockbuster. From Nayaks to Jan Nayaks, the campaign is exploding. As Bengal prepares for a long election summer spanning across 8 phases, the presence of stars is increasing political temperatures. Bengali stars Nusrat Jahan, Mimi Chakrabarti hawk the limelight from the Trinamool with their political debut in 2019. 2021 has seen things go to the next level. The latest is Shravanti Chatterjee, a popular Bengali actor who donned the saffron in Kolkata on Monday. The 33-year-old diva's welcome into the BJP was graced by BJP's Bengal in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya and Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh.
बंगाल सारी दुनिया में कला के क्षेत्र में, साहित्य के क्षेत्र में, संस्कृति के क्षेत्र में अपनी पहचान बनाए, ये हमारा उद्देश्य है और इसीलिए इस प्रकार के बड़े कलाकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि हमारे उद्देश्य के प्रति हम सफल हो रहे हैं.
Not just Shravanti, actress Payal Sarkar had joined the BJP last week. even declaring her intent to contest elections.
अभी मैं लोगों के लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ, तो इसमें ग्रुपिज्म का कोई सवाल है नहीं, ये मेरा अपना चॉइस है.
Before that, it was superstar Yash Das Gupta whose foray into the BJP was the talk of the town. After Mamta Banerjee alleged that the BJP split couples, Yash had hit back at the Bengal CM, breaking silence on his rumored relationship with TMC MP Nusrat Jahan.
दोनों के प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग है, ना वो मुझे कहेंगी ना मैं उन्हें कहूँगा. हर बात पे हमें सेम पेज में होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अलग विचारधाराएं हो ही सकती है और उस चीज़ की इज़्ज़त मैं करता हूँ और मैं भी आशा रखता हूँ कि वो भी मेरी उस बात की इज़्ज़त रखेंगे.
But it isn't the BJP which is gaining the mileage with the entry of the stalwarts. Film actor Kaushani Mukherjee had joined the ruling TMC last month. The actor even tweeted a video urging voters to connect with Didir Doot app.
আর দিদির এই স্বপ্ন পূরণের দিকে আমরা 10 কোটি বাংলার মানুষ চলুন এগিয়ে যাই আর প্লে স্টোর থেকে ডাউনলোড করুন দিদির দূত অ্যাপ.
Several smaller television and film actors have also joined the Trinamool Congress in recent times, making this one of the most star-spangled political wars ever in the state's history. Will the presence of film and television stars give warring parties the much-needed edge in the ferocious battle? We will know once polling starts from March 27. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.